Welcome to this lesson on the slope-intercept form. This is one of the most important concepts in algebra because it gives us a simple way to graph and understand linear equations. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what y equals mx+b means. Let's look at the equation itself. Y equals mx+b. There are four parts here. Y and x are our variables, representing points on the graph. The two letters we care about most today are m and b. M represents the slope, or the rate of change. B represents the y-intercept, or our starting point. So what exactly is m? M stands for slope. Think of slope as the steepness of the line. We calculate it using a simple ratio, rise over run. The rise is how much we go up or down, and the run is how much we go to the right. Slope tells us the direction of the line. If the slope is positive, the line goes up from left to right, like climbing a hill. If the slope is negative, the line goes down, like skiing down a mountain. Always read graphs from left to right. Now let's talk about B is the y-intercept. This is simply the point where our line crosses the vertical y-axis. You can think of this as our starting value. Mathematically, this is the value of y when x is equal to 0. Graphing these equations is easy if you follow three steps. First, we plot the intercept. Second, we apply the slope to find the next point. And third, we simply connect the dots. Let's try it with an example. Let's graph the equation y equals 1/2 x plus 1. Step 1 is to identify and plot the y-intercept. Here, b equals 1, so we place a dot at +1 on the vertical y-axis. This is our anchor point. Step 2 is to use the slope. Our slope m is 1/2. Remember, that is rise over run. So, from our starting point, we rise up 1 unit and run to the right 2 units. This gives us our second point at coordinates 2, 2. Step 3 is the easiest part. Just draw a straight line through your 2 points. Extend the line in both directions with arrows to show that it goes on forever. And there you have it, the graph of the line. To wrap up, remember that in the equation y equals mx+b, m is your slope, calculated as rise over run, and b is your y-intercept, which is your starting point on the graph. Master these two concepts, and you can graph any linear equation instantly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.